In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count the maximum consecutive items in Excel. We'll walk through a simple method for tracking consecutive entries in a list using a helper column and a basic formula. This is especially useful when you want to find the longest streak of a repeated value, such as a series of yes responses in your data. Start by opening Excel and getting to a blank worksheet or the sheet where you want to do the calculation. Once you're in Excel, enter your sample data into a column. In this example, the values are placed in column A, and we're focusing on counting consecutive yes entries. Make sure your data is arranged clearly, with one item per row, so the formula can evaluate each cell correctly from top to bottom. Next, click into cell B2 and type 1. This sets the starting point for the count. The reason we begin with 1 here is that it establishes the first count value for the sequence, which the next formula will build on. Column B will act as a running streak counter beside your original data in column A. After that, move to cell B3. This is where you'll enter the formula that checks whether the current item is yes, and if it is, adds 1 to the previous count. In B3, type the following formula: equals if open parenthesis, A3 equals yes, comma B2 plus 1, comma 0, then close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look at cell A3. If A3 contains the word yes, Excel takes the number from B2 and adds 1. If A3 does not contain yes, it returns 0, which resets the streak. That reset is important because it ensures only uninterrupted sequences are counted. Once you've typed the formula, press Enter. You should now see the result appear in B3, based on the value in A3. If the row contains yes, the count increases. If not, it drops back to 0. Now, drag the fill handle down from B3 all the way to the last row of your data set. This copies the formula down the column so Excel can evaluate every row in the list. As you do this, the helper column will show the length of each active streak. When you're done, scan the values in column B to identify the highest number. That highest value represents the maximum number of consecutive yes entries in your data. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.